May tayago takwamin. Good morning, and welcome back to my kitchen. This is Christina, and for today's video, we are going to cook a lamb rack with rosemary and kumquat. So let's start. Before I start to marinate our lamb, I'm going to prepare first the recipe or the ingredients that we're going to need, the kumquat and the rosemary. So what I'm doing now is I'm just chopping our kumquat into small pieces. And we need to marinate our lamb with sugar, onion salt, garlic salt, rosemary dried, lemon peel dried, and soy sauce, olive oil, and black pepper, and a grated ginger. And after we put the other marination, we need to add our chopped kumquat on top of it. And here we just do the same the marination, except we don't need here the rosemary dried because we are going to use the fresh rosemary. So just marinate it same way. So on here we just need to add our rosemary mixture pesto. What you're going to do here is just we need some blender or chopper. So just mix the olive oil, rosemary fresh, lemon zest, and you just blend it, and that's it. And we just marinate it both for 3 to 4 hours after cooking. So just cover it and just sit aside for a while. And here time to grill for 16 minutes or depends on the size of the lump. And this is our lump, it's already done. This is our lamb rack with rosemary and kumquat. Hope you like it, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you in the next time, and have a good day and God bless. Love you all.